Beyond Meat is having another meme stock moment, despite the fundamentals of its business being less than as sizzling as a plant-based burger right off the grill. Love that burger, though. Shares of the struggling faux meat maker have gained close to 600% in the past 3 trading sessions. Gains look poised to continue on Wednesday, with shares up as much as 135% at one point in pre-market trading. So it's just a wild move here. You can see here in one of Yahoo Finance's new community tools how interest in Beyond Meat has spiked in the last few sessions amongst retail investors. But to all of those meme masters pushing up the stock, I just want to remind you, Beyond Meat's sales are plunging. It's posting big operating losses, and all indications suggest the size of the plant-based meat market are not panning out to be as big as once believed. Still here on the Open Bid Roundtable, Art Hogan, Ali Cannell, and Inez Ferre. Art, I'm going back to you, Art. Any interest in trading a Beyond Meat here?
None whatsoever. It's stock down from $175 at its peak to less than $1 where it sat for the better part of the last year. Getting a bump now in the short squeeze, I just think it's dangerous, and it's not something I would play.
What do you think drives these meme-type moves? I mean, you could very easily pull up a free financial statement on our platform, sec.gov. You can see that Beyond Meat ain't making money. Sales are declining double digits. The market's pressure. Like, what's the psychology behind these moves, Art?
Well, it's a classic short squeeze, but it's done by a gang, right? So you get the gang of investors together. They target 1, 2, 3 stocks, 3 that you mentioned, Krispy Kreme and 1-800-Flowers, another one. You know, they're all reading the same information, diving in at the same time. And when you have a 65% short position, pretty easy to see that short squeeze happen, but it doesn't end well at the end of the day. We saw this 3 years ago. The only way to benefit from this as a company is to already have an ATM set up, meaning you can sell shares into this mania. And maybe with that capital that you raise, you can reinvent your business model and make it work. But to your point, I just don't know what the total addressable market is for things like Beyond Meat and plant-based alternatives.
And as you know what amazes me, these moves in these meme stocks, they come out of the blue. One day these stocks are getting hammered. Just a week and a half ago, Beyond Meat was trading about 56 cents. They were doing a pretty large debt swap deal. People hated the stock. Today, it's up, almost over 600% in the past 3 sessions. I mean, it's wild.
I remember when this stock went public on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange back in 2019, and the stock went to a high of above $200 per share. You heard that right. It was above $200 per share. And you now are seeing that the stock is around $6 per share. Okay, today it's seeing a huge bump, yes, because of that short squeeze that you're seeing on it. The short interest, it's above 60%, as it was noted. But look, certainly, yeah, these are stocks that are, they end up becoming casino stocks. I mean, it is just, you are basically betting on it. It's not necessarily the fundamentals, it's not necessarily the strategy shifts, but it's mostly just a casino stock at this point.
Well said, Inez. Art, let me go back to you real quick. When you see this type of activity, Beyond Meat, Krispy Kreme, and some other ones that are moving on the Yahoo Finance platform, just these big meme stocks, is it an indication to you that the broader market may be near some form of top line? Investors are searching for that last grasp of the bull market here and trading up stocks like this that are horribly fundamentally positioned?
Yeah, I think that we always try to ascribe some sort of larger meaning to any of the manias that we go through, and certainly the meme stocks are the latest of those, but we're also seeing that in some of the drone stocks and the nuclear stocks and the lithium mining stocks and the independent energy stocks, and there's all sorts of things on the speculative edge that are going to be there. I don't think you have to actually say, well, this means that the S&P 500 has run out of steam and everyone's looking somewhere else. The group that is doing this is much smaller than the broader market.
And as you know, lastly, one stock that is no longer a meme stock is Robinhood. Like, Robinhood has turned into, they helped drive that last meme movement, but this is a company that has completely transformed really over the past 5 years. Totally different company.
It's huge. It's explosive what has happened to that stock, and what they're really doing with the tools that they're giving the retail investors, the prediction markets that has absolutely soared. That is a soaring part of the industry. And all these tools that now retail investors have at their disposal, tokenization that they're getting into. I mean, this is the reason why you have seen this stock become a total high flyer.
Yeah, I'm totally jazzed to speak with Vlad Tenev, co-founder and CEO of Robinhood, at our Invest conference. That's going to be a fun chat.